In this video, I'll show you how to set up a membership site in Webflow. Start by signing into your Webflow account and open the project where you want to create your membership site. Next, make sure your site is on a Webflow plan that supports the features you'll need for members and gated content. After that, open Site Settings and configure your website before adding member-only content. Now create the pages and content you want to make available to members, such as courses, downloads, articles, or exclusive resources. Next, set up your sign-up, login, and account pages so visitors can create accounts and access their member dashboard. After that, configure the access rules for your protected pages and assign the appropriate permissions for each member group or subscription level. Now customize the member experience by editing the registration forms, account pages, and navigation to match your website's branding. Next, test the complete membership flow by creating a test account, signing in, and confirming that protected pages are only accessible to authorized members. After that, review your site settings and make any final adjustments before publishing. Finally, publish your website and begin inviting members to join your membership site. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a membership site in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.